So we've been using our Berkey. This is a big Berkey water filtration. We fill it up with dock water and it drains down these through these filters into there, and we've been using it for 3 years. This one, like, it has some kind of rust, seems like, there on this rubber washer, like maybe it's got some metal in the water and it's filtered it out, but because the inside is spotless. But I decided it needs to be washed. So I mean, look at this filter. I mean, that's the stuff we've not been drinking. So I'm going to brush these, get the slime off them, and then we'll put it back together. So I thought what I would do is just try taking them, run them under water. Oh yeah, look at the stuff coming off. This faucet doesn't have much pressure. I'm going to take it outside and try it on the garden hose. Okay, so before and after, that's rinsed them off, scrubbed them. Got some rust stains there. I can't get that off, but oh well. And let's see. We're gonna clean this out too. Got some rust in there. So I'm just gonna wash this with a little soap and water. Rinse it good. Something, it must, yeah, there's a bunch of gunk on the side there. So it definitely filters out all that stuff, because that stuff was on the intake side of the dirty water. But this is where the clean water goes, and there's nothing in there. So all in all, I give the Berkey a big thumbs up. And I'm just boiling all these parts, sanitize them. We'll put it all back together. All right, it's all put back together, clean, and filling her up. Back to service.